Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tech Reviews, and in today's video I have the Ring Doorbell Pro, a video doorbell that allows you to see your front door and lets you communicate back with users using the built-in microphone. Now as always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you've been pondering about whether you should buy this device or not, stop right now, like right now, and go ahead and buy this device, because this is hands down one of my favorite pieces of tech and one you should definitely spend your money on. For those of you who don't know, the Ring Doorbell Pro is a device that allows you to see your front door in 1080p HD using the Ring Doorbell app from anywhere around the globe, and it lets you communicate back using the device's built-in microphone. The doorbell is super handy to have, especially when you're not at home and for those scenarios where you have a parcel due and need to provide instructions to the postman handling your items. Furthermore, from a security standpoint, the Ring Doorbell couldn't make you feel any more safer, as this device instantly starts recording the second someone enters your front parameters set within the Ring Doorbell app, which is then saved and can be reviewed later on. This is great for those of you who are hardly at home. Inside the box, you get the Ring Doorbell as well as instructions on how to set up your device. Furthermore, you also get a choice of plates you can attach to the video doorbell and the tools you need to install the device. Now let's talk about the Ring Doorbell app. Once you've created an account and completed the setup process, you'll then be able to see your video doorbell. The app lets you drop into the device to see the doorbell camera and lets you see any activity the doorbell has picked up. The app also lets you see a list of connected devices, as well as the connection health of each one. Here you can also set up new devices and add users to access and view your doorbell camera. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Ring Doorbell Pro from Amazon for around £230. However, you also have the option to cover your device using the Ring Doorbell cover plans. You get two options, which is the Protect Basic and Protect Plus. Basic allowing you to cover one device for £25 per year, letting you review, save and share Ring videos, whereas the Protect Plus plan allows you to cover all your Ring devices for £80 per year. Finally, if for whatever reason your Ring doorbell is stolen, by default Ring will send you a replacement free of charge, providing you supply them with a police report. I've also added the Ring Doorbell Pro Amazon purchase link in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Is this something you would purchase for your home? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tech Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.